Bereshit chapter 33. Yaakov lifted up his eyes and looked, and behold, Esav was coming, and with him 400 men. He divided the children between Leah, Rachel, and the 2 handmaids. He put the handmaids and their children in front, Leah and her children after, and Rachel and Joseph at the rear. He himself passed over in front of them, and bowed himself to the ground 7 times, until he came near to his brother. Esav ran to meet him, embraced him, fell on his neck, kissed him, and they wept. He lifted up his eyes, and saw the women and the children, and said, "Who are these with you?" He said, "The children whom Elohim has graciously given your servant." Then the handmaids came near with their children, and they bowed themselves. Leah also and her children came near, and bowed themselves. After them Joseph came near with Rachel, and they bowed themselves. Esav said, "What do you mean by all this company which I met?" Yaakov said, "To find favor in the sight of my Lord." Esav said, "I have enough, my brother. Let that which you have be yours." Yaakov said, "Please, no. If I have now found favor in your sight, then receive my present at my hand, because I have seen your face, as one sees the face of Elohim, and you were pleased with me. Please take the gift that I brought to you, because Elohim has dealt graciously with me, and because I have enough." He urged him, and he took it. Esav said, "Let us take our journey, and let us go, and I will go before you." Yaakov said to him, "My Lord knows that the children are tender, and that the flocks and herds with me have their young, and if they overdrive them one day, all the flocks will die. Please, let my Lord pass over before his servant, and I will lead on gently, according to the pace of the livestock that are before me, and according to the pace of the children, until I come to my Lord to Seir." Esav said, "Let me now leave with you some of the folk who are with me." He said, "Why? Let me find favor in the sight of my Lord." So Esav returned that day on his way to Seir. Yaakov traveled to Sukkot, built himself a house, and made shelters for his livestock. Therefore the name of the place is called Sukkot. Yaakov came in shalom to the city of Shechem, which is in the land of Canaan, when he came from Padan Aram, and encamped before the city. He bought the parcel of ground where he had spread his tent, at the hand of the children of Hamor, Shechem's father, for 100 pieces of money. He erected an altar there, and called it El Elohe Yisrael.